Well, I'm wearing Dior and Steve Madden shoes. I was just really obsessed with this skirt. I thought it was so cute and it's like feel like a big cake in a house. So I was in love with this look. Oh, well, it's all mixed. हाँ? अभी आपने कहा. हाँ, I mean it's always good to look like a doll. पर मैं अभी केक के तरह I'm feeling. एक बड़ा सा केक. I'm feeling like a big cupcake.
Why is Vogue your most fabulous initiative?
I mean, because it's beauty awards, I don't think people really kind of appreciate the work that is done, to look beautiful and for the whole beauty. And Vogue is basically means fashion, and the whole fashion industry, I think, is run by appreciated by these awards, and they're really important. So yeah. I think less is more. That's something Mickey Contractor told me. And I follow. What is happening? Huh? नहीं यहाँ पे hello दिल है कि मान जा रहा हूँ. That is a rumor. That I've been asked many times, but for now it's not. I have not been approached with it. But whenever it does happen, everybody will know. No, I think he's good.
Hi, I'm wearing Xenia. You know what? I'm very cleverly avoiding pronouncing the first name. I always get confused. So I'm just going to go with Xenia. So I've started learning more and more about sharp dressing and stuff. So now I know it's not Zegna. At least I know the correct pronunciation of the second word now. The first word I still never managed. So I'm just going to avoid that. मूछे I think October 8th को तय किया गया है कि ये मूछे मुंडवा दी जाएंगी. किस लिए कुछ खास? मेरी अगली फिल्म है किल दिल जो अक्टूबर में शुरू होगी तो उसके लुक टेस्ट शुरू होंगे. October 8th को ये मूछे निकाली जाएंगी. I'm really going to miss them. लेकिन आप जैसे लोगों को लगाव हो गया है. लुक टेस्ट तो सभी देते हैं यार. देखना तो ट्राई करना चाहिए ना कैसे लग रहे हो आप फिल्म में, कैसे आगे जाके लगने वाले हो. I think it's awesome. Vogue is like the authority on beauty and fashion and all things glamorous. So I think to celebrate all of those things, the Vogue Beauty Awards is a most wonderful initiative.
रणवीर अभी आलिया के साथ फोटो खींचे, कैसी लगी आलिया? मतलब वो खुद
बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं. आई लाइक हर इयरिंग्स, दे आर वेरी वेरी कूल. क्या चीज़?
हिचकिचा रही थी वो आपके साथ?
ऐसे क्यों यार, वो मैं डाकू लगता हूँ. हाँ
कहीं आप आजकल एक्ट्रेसेस को लूटने पे तो नहीं तुले हो?
नहीं यार, ऐसे तो मैं गरीब गाय हूँ यार.
So are you excited about the Vogue Beauty Awards?
I'm very excited, very very excited. It's my first time here actually.
How does it feel? It's your first time at Vogue Beauty Awards. How does it feel?
I think it's. I'm expecting to see a lot of beautiful people, and I'm excited to see it. It's my first time. I've never experienced it, but it sounds quite like hi-fi and fancy and cool and all. So I'll go check it out. I'm expecting a most amusing, entertaining, lovely, lovely evening.
रणवीर
बॉलीवुड में सबसे ब्यूटीफुल माधुरी दीक्षित. मेरे को-स्टार्स में सभी ब्यूटीफुल हैं. By far Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, I think. By far. I mean, for so many years and years, he's been a style icon. Best dressed man ever, most stylish, style icon really.
अच्छा रणवीर, वोग ब्यूटी अवार्ड में आप आए हैं, तो आप खुद के बारे में क्या ब्यूटीफुल लगता है?
मुझे रणवीर ब्यूटीफुल ही नहीं लगता है, कुछ एकदम ऑपोजिट लगता है. अब मुझे मतलब क्या बोलूँ, मुझ में ब्यूटीफुल क्या है? मेरे बाल. जब मैं शैम्पू करता हूँ तब.
रणवीर, आपको क्या लगता है लड़के आपके इतना मरती हैं, तो क्या ऐसी चीज होगी रणवीर की देख?
आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मरती है?
सर वो तो
अब तो हिचकिचा रही थी, अभी बोल रहे हो मर रही है. कमाल हो गया यार.
एक हिचकिचा रही थी ना, बाकी तो मरी मरी रही है.
तो
आपको ऐसी रणवीर का फिदा रहती है लड़की?
पता नहीं यार. आई थिंक अगर आप उनको हंसा दें तो आई थिंक उनको अच्छा लगता है. आई थिंक लुटेरा में काफ़ी रुलाया था, तो वो भी उनको अच्छा लग गया. आई थिंक. Wishing all the viewers a very very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
किसका माइक एडजस्ट करना है?
I'm wearing Alexander McQueen. I'm styled by Anita. Like it?
ब्लैक मैजिक वुमन वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही?
Black magic? What?
ब्लैक मैजिक वुमन वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही आपको?
पता नहीं. I feel good in it. I feel strong and sexy, so it's good. क्या हो रहा है?
बस
सब ठीक है? सब अच्छा हो गया? हाँ जी.
सुनो, आपके लिए खूबसूरती की परिभाषा पूछना क्या होगा?
अगर आप खुश हो तो आप खूबसूरत लगोगे. अगर आप अंदर से सेटिस्फाइड हो, अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंट हो, एंड यू थिंक यू आर द स्ट्रॉन्ग अमेजिंग वुमन, देन यू लुक ब्यूटीफुल.
सुनो, आपसे कई लोग कई अभिनेत्री हैं जो नाराज भी रहती है कि आप इतनी स्टाइलिश रहती हैं.
नाराज क्यों रहती
क्या
हैं?
टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगी. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप अपने आप के साथ कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप जो भी पहनेंगे आप उसमें खूबसूरत लगेंगे. ये सब यहाँ से है. जब तक मैं हाँ या ना बोलती हूँ या मैं कोट नहीं देती हूँ तो तब तक ये सब यहाँ से है.
Why is Vogue Beauty Awards a fashion association? Because it makes the beauty industry, which is such a big industry, kind of encourages them. You know, like we have film awards, we have other fashion awards. I think the beauty industry is something that needs to really be kind of highlighted as well.
Your favorite book cover today?
My book cover, the latest one. Most beautiful actress. She just went past Alia Bhatt. I love her. I think she's one of the cutest, most beautiful, fresh faces that we have today. Actor, most stylish actor, I think Amitabh Bachchan and Anil Kapoor and Imran Khan.
अच्छा सोनम आलिया सर ने पूछा था कि उनके नृत्य वाले गाने जो कि आप हैप्पी के में डॉल जैसी लगती है नहीं डॉल भी कहा था तो कभी आपको लगा कि आप भी डॉल जैसी लगती
नहीं, मैं ऐसा अपने बारे में नहीं सोचती हूँ.
Five makeup products you always carry.
Glam Shine Lip Gloss by L'Oreal Paris. Volume Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. I use True Match Foundation, and I always use sunblock. And my perfume, I think not many people know that perfume is also an amazing beauty product, because if you smell good, then automatically you feel good. Thank you.
सोनम जाने से पहले इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है कुछ खास कर रही हो आप कुछ खास यादें जुड़ी हो अगर आपकी और कुछ विशेष दे
A very happy Independence Day. हम जो आजकल हमें पता नहीं कि इंडिपेंडेंस क्या होता है, क्योंकि हमने वी आर born in a generation where our country was already independent. पर अगर when there is free thought and you have choices, the only thing I can say is that please vote. I've registered to vote, so you guys also should vote. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Just because it's a beauty award. Every girl wants to come to a beauty award.
Could you tell me what design are you wearing? How excited are you for this night?
Yeah, I'm wearing a beautiful gown with a bag from Sonakshi Raj. And the jewelry is blue marine, and this is Pinky Sarah.
And how excited are you for the night? Is this the first time wearing your Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. Very well. Can you just tell me what design are you wearing today? I'm wearing your rings, which is very prominent. Can you just explain I'm wearing a dress like blue marine this evening. I absolutely love the color. I don't usually wear green, but this shade of green I think is something that really complements brown skin. And I've got rings on my green top tonight. And
Yeah.
Well, I'm wearing this lovely designer called Devashi and she's from Calcutta. And yeah, it was an outfit that she gifted me, and I was just looking for the right occasion to have some fun, and I thought this was a good occasion.
Neha off late.
Sorry? Am I saving the tiger? I totally am.
नेहा off late आप काफी gothic look में नजर आई थी, तो gothic को आप कुछ
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I don't think I'm looking gothic today at all. It's just, I mean, I wanted to go organic, but then I thought that I want to mix two looks, so I just thought of doing that.
अच्छा ये साइड में एक सफेद स्ट्रीप निकाली है आपने.
I was born with it.
एक बार दिखाएंगे.
So I have a black patch and I get grey hair, and I was born with grey hair from the first day. You know someone else like that? Indira Gandhi. I think crop tops are a great silhouette only because, you know, they kind of and then everyone from college girls like, you know, all the women and everyone's doing it. So yes, it is a fad, but I don't think it's going to stay for long. Sorry, I didn't get your question. Well, I think the Vogue Beauty Awards are a fabulous initiative. Not only do they promote the cause, which is being beautiful, but everything else that comes with it. And you have absolutely wonderful and interesting women from all walks of life coming and endorsing something as wonderful as the Vogue Beauty Awards. And I've been subscribing to Vogue even before it came to India. And I think beauty is something that should stay for a lifetime, and we're all here celebrating it, so it's a great initiative.
I'm wearing blue. Sorry, you'll have to bear with my bad throat. I'm wearing blue marine, and this clutch is by Gucci. There's so many. It's very hard to pick up. I think everybody is very beautiful in their own way, and I think all of them carry themselves really well. So all of them. I think apart from Mr. Bachchan, actress, I think I really like Kalki. I love the way she carries herself, which is the right blend of her. She experiments a lot, and the attitude with which she carries, I think, I really like that. Sorry? I'm just. Sorry, I didn't hear. I have a feeling really unwell. Sorry, what you saying? कहाँ से सुना है आपने? साउथ में तो मैं जाती रहती हूँ because I'm balancing work both in Bollywood and bilingual film that I'm shooting, and there's nothing of that sort. I think it's great. It's very prestigious to be a part of the jury of, for Vogue Beauty Awards. It's one of the most celebrated magazines all across the world, and to be jury member is just like 1.5 year of my career. I think it feels really great. Sorry. Absolutely. I think that's why I said it's the most celebrated magazine, I think, in the world, and I think this kind of platform encourages and celebrates this kind of talent where brands of world-renowned brands come on one platform and the achievements are celebrated. And I think awards, of course, everybody loves awards, and when it's Vogue Beauty Awards, it has an extra, I think, dash of the edge attached to it. So that's why it's Vogue.
जी, यानी 15 अगस्त आ रहा है